Hey, I'm Jerry with Steps Saver Products. We're the manufacturer of Bradz Self-Supporting knee pads. Not only do I manufacture these, I'm obviously a utilizer of them. We like feedback from customers, and that's what drives our product innovation forward. Let me show you the pads. They're very comfortable. They come in 3 sizes and 3 colors. So they come in the green camo here, they come in black, and they come in pink camo. They have built-in replaceable kneecaps. So when the kneecaps wear out, you take them off, throw them away, put a new pair on. Kneecaps also come in leather and the hard plastic. They come with the hard plastic. You can order leather if you need them. They're open behind the knee. They have built-in tool pouches. So you have tools you need, pencil, grab, whatever, and they're just designed to fit loose. You don't want to put them on tight. The 3 size differences is I'm 6 foot tall, to put it in perspective. These are size 5012. The 5010s are 3 inches shorter, and the 5014 line is 3 inches taller. You want to measure from the top of your foot to the top of the knee. You've got removable lower pad, and they're just staying comfortable. They also have a Cinch Sack that's available to protect them. Has a pocket here for your replaceable kneecaps. Any feedback is appreciated. If you have any questions, let us know.